remember that when I say remember, I can't chat the language.
No, you have to live some and talk some.
Yes.
Chamu.
Wait,
Right?
Chamu.
I'm a friend.
Chamu, you deng.
Yeah.
Talk some and left some.
You come and tell him.
And it's a good question you ask, you know.
Remember?
When you ask me, say, what kind of question you should ask? Because you see when Bungla no for you,
Napoli.
Napoli.
thank you.
We left it.
I just like where you come now, so now that's a aqua. If you're giving out in return now, that's a medase, that means thank you.
Talk up loud, man. Come here, you can talk loud.
No,
than
I
that.
say medase.
All right, so we forward a more town now and we meet you.
Which one, sir?
Or you're welcome with.
Aqua.
Mhm.
If you're giving out in return,
Yeah.
that's a medase,
Yes.
it means thank you.
Me know that.
Alright. Yeah, so I want to know if the man ever have no personal encounter with no ancestor.
Not every time. Even when them a play drum and a ritual dance
Yes.
and all that, so that involved in them.
Ritual and dancing and
Traditional.
tradition.
Because me always hear say when them a play the drum, people climb all tree back way.
Maya.
A reality?
Yeah.
Yeah, true thing.
Reality.
Yeah, na maka.
Maka. And not them.
Who has, them say, who have eyes will see. Yeah, man.
What years gone here?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
this thing
About
is way beyond more when we take it, you know.
All right.
Yeah, man, because
Yeah, man.
back in a few days,
Yeah, man.
Bonnie even know
Yeah, man.
Back in
Say-
your youthful days.
Yeah.
I just bush and rum
And rum.
and weed them people used to use.
Me know.